This LG EBR79686302 main control board is a genuine factory component designed specifically to restore proper wash, drain, and dry cycles in compatible LG dishwashers. The board arrives housed in a protective plastic casing, which helps shield the electronics from moisture and accidental damage once installed inside the machine. Because it is engineered to the same specifications as the original part, the fit and wiring connections are straightforward for anyone comfortable following a service manual. The use of durable materials and a solid printed circuit layout gives this control board a reassuring sense of longevity under daily kitchen use. Owners of supported LG dishwasher models will appreciate that this single assembly can resolve a wide range of erratic behavior, from incomplete cycles to unresponsive controls. Choosing this original manufacturer board instead of a generic substitute helps maintain the dishwasher's intended performance, safety protections, and overall reliability.